Hello everyone, if your GTA 5 is not launching on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix GTA 5 not launching on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your file explorer and then you're going to go to your GTA's directory. So my directory is in my D drive, your directory may be different. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your GTA 5 exe file, you're going to go into properties, you're going to go into compatibility, and now you need to make sure that you have run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations both turned on. Now click apply and then click OK. After that, do the same for this file as well. So compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator, apply OK, and lastly do the same for this one as well. Compatibility, full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator, apply OK. Now try to run your game and you'll see that your game will work correctly. So the it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix GTA 5 not launching on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.